YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unwrap this. My wife got the massive pickup from Banana Republic factory store from Camarillo Premium Outlet store. So yeah, anyway, let's go and then show you guys what she got. So she got a bunch of clothing, got the shorts, got the blouse, so here are some of the items that's over here. For example, this one is $79.99, and you get that $40 off, becomes $35.99. Oh, minus additional $4, which is additional 10% off. And all these are itemized right here. So total she spent on this is $151.49. So she got the shorts with the drawstring right here. And this one is made in Vietnam. There's no pocket. I show you the blouse already. And this one is like a dress. Wow. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 buttons. And this one is made in India. They come with the extra buttons inside this bag. Right there. And you got the pocket. Chest pocket on left and right hand side. And by the arm it is folded and sewed in. So you got this kind of folding look. So here's another top. This one is extra large, made in Vietnam. Okay. And here is another short. This one is the gray color, got a drawstring as well. And this is size medium, made in Vietnam. Here's another top. $49.99 original price. Size medium. And this one is the, what is this? Made in Vietnam too. Got a drawstring with the pockets. So this is almost like a cargo pants because you got the cargo pocket right here. It's a pocket flap And then here's another one with the gray color. It's a drawstring. Yeah, you got the same pockets. And you got the elastic cuffs. And she got another rust color or red, rust red. Yep, size medium. And then another top right here. And this one is without the buttons. And this is made in Indonesia. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.